sisters and brothers and metal lovers! It's Ryan back here at North Valley Forge. Gonna show you what we're on with today. If you just check this out right quick, there's a panel here that we got from Westminster down in London, ink cap. We've got some wavy bars, so we're going to try and replicate these. So I've got some irons in fire, and what we're going to do is we're going to put them on this press tool here. So make sharpish, red hot, gas mark 6, as usual, straight in there like plutonium rods, eh? Into the centre of that, bang. And give that a little tap there. Take that out. And they're coming out. Something like that. Have another go. Here, I'll just get another. So, we've got a few hundred of there. All in them bags over there, and we're going to squeeze these. So I think there's about 1,000 per job. So we're just going to give them a little tap there. So that'll come out. We'll quench these off later. We'll give them a bit of a basket, all that. Scale off. A few hundred of them to do. But what I want to show you today is how we're making these Daffodil sort of sculptures, because it is Mother's Day not next week, it's 31st, end of the month. So we're getting these in nice and early for you people out there. And what we're going to do is make some daffs with some special leaves. So a bit of 10mm round, just going to cut that down to about there. What else we've got? We've got some 12mm angle iron. There's a look there. Just going to put this through here. That size. And then what I do, go over here. I'm going to grind this down really tight. Got to put a round bend on that. Get that there. Like that on the V. Now take it off the handle. Just gonna flatten it like that. Cold that. All we do is flattening them out. Put it on this side here. So you get that little groove, you know, like you would get in a daffodil sort of like leaf. We'll get a few of them going. See how it's flattening that end out like that. Round that off from there. Give that a kick. You've got like a little leaf opening up, and then you've got your stem here. Just gonna give that a bit of a curl, because they grow pretty straight. Tidy all that up there. So we bring them off the welding bench. Got a load of these. Here's your daff edge. In there. Just going to weld that on the back of that. Watch your eyes. So you've got that on your stem coming off there. What we're going to do is put that, tack that on a bit further up there like that. Tack that there. there, so we've got them there. Got usual gist of it all like that. So you've got stems and dafts coming off like that and put them on a... What we've done previous is put a load of them, like 4 or 5 of those together. And here's one like Blue Peter I made earlier, with a bit of a wraparound going around that. So what we're going to do with this one, some lucky mother next week, if you like his Facebook page and you like and share the video for today, we're going to give this away for next week. But you can buy them and get them galvanised or whatever for your mother or whatever in a couple of weeks time. 70 quid plus VAT, cheap as chips. How's them for your apples? So get it liked, get it shared, and some lucky bugger can be winning this next week. Bob Swift will see the